How are you going to assign your IP addresses to the devices within your organization? Are you going to do it statically? Probably not. However, a server here or there, a particular service or feature here or there may need a static IP address because you never want it to change. You always want it to be the same. That's fine. However, the rest of the devices in the organization could benefit from using DHCP, and you as an administrator will have less of a burden put on you if you are using DHCP because you won't have to manually manage all the different IP addresses that have been deployed within the organization. So what can we run the DHCP service on? Well, number one, it could be run on an external server. And that external server could be running Windows as an example, or it could be running Linux. As long as that service is capable of running on that particular operating system, then that device could be a DHCP server and configured to hand out IP addresses to the devices within the organization. So where can we place this DHCP server? Well, the DHCP server could be in the exact same VLAN, the same subnet as the clients. It could be positioned off the distribution layer in the organization if we wanted to as well. So it's in a completely different subnet than the devices that are requesting the IP address. In addition to that, maybe we might have that server stored in a server farm somewhere in our organization. So regardless of where that server is, we need to be able to make sure that the end stations have the ability to ultimately communicate with that DHCP server and get the IP addressing information that they need. However, it is common to deploy the DHCP service on a Cisco iOS device. For example, the multi-layer switches at a distribution layer. Why is that? Because these multi-layer switches are really close to those end stations. So the DHCP service on these multi-layer switches could be servicing the clients that are connected to them within the subnets and VLANs that they are members of.